Hello friends, welcome to PS Day's unique English Easy Way YouTube channel. In this video, you will practice the usage of the three most common prepositions in English. They are at, on, and in. Try to answer each question within a pause of a few seconds. After the pause, the answer will appear on the screen with an explanation in green color letters. Let's begin. He arrived blank the evening. He arrived in the evening. Specific times of the day, like evening, morning, and afternoon, take the in preposition. But Friday morning, Saturday morning, etc., take on preposition. Besides, in is used for enclosed spaces inside the edges of something and for months and years. He will attend the function blank 10 a.m. He will attend the function at 10 a.m. A specific indicated time, place or activity takes at preposition. Here is a specific time which is pointed out. I will go there blank next Monday. Next, last, this, that, every, each, any, all, today, yesterday, and tomorrow before a noun never take at, on, or in prepositions. Therefore, the correct sentence is, I will go there next Monday. But, if you remove such adjectives, it can take a preposition like I will go there on Monday. The plane will take off blank a few minutes. The plane will take off in a few minutes. We use in to express events that are going to take place very soon, like a few minutes from now, a week from now, a moment from now, and so on. He is not blank home. He is not at home. We use at to express specific locations, streets, addresses, points, etc. and specific and short times of the day. Here, home is a specific location, therefore, at is used. I am blank the bus. I am on the bus. On is used for any surface, regardless of whether it is vertical or horizontal. On is also used for public transportation and devices. In this situation, it is a large public vehicle, not a private car. In the case of a private small vehicle, on is not used, instead, in is used. The table is blank the room. The table is in the room. The best way to think about in is being within enclosed spaces, inside the edges of something, and concerning time, such as months, years, and specific times of the day. In is used for anything wide and broad. I will meet him blank 10. I will meet him at 10. Specific time, place, and activity are pointed and small things. They take at preposition. He studied blank Delhi. He studied in Delhi. Delhi has edges. In is used for spaces and containers that are enclosed. He likes reading blank night. He likes reading at night. We use at for short times of day, such as night, evening, morning, and specific locations, streets, addresses, points, and so on. My house is located blank the second floor of the building. My house is located on the second floor of the building. On is used for any surface, regardless of whether it is vertical or horizontal, and on is also used for public transportation and devices. Here, it is matter of a surface. It is a storied building surface. The engineer will meet you blank the site office. The engineer will meet you at the site office. We use at to express specific locations, streets, addresses, points and short times of the day. Here, the site office is a specific location. Therefore, at is used. He rides blank a car. He rides in a car. The best way to think about in is being within enclosed spaces, inside the edges of something, and concerning time, such as months, years, and specific times of the day. In is used for anything wide and broad. Do not sell it blank loss. Do not sell it at loss. Specific time, place, and activity are pointed and small things. They take at preposition. Here loss is a result of specific result of an activity. I read it blank a book. I read it in a book. The best way to think about in is being within enclosed spaces, inside the edges of something, and concerning time, such as months, years, and specific times of the day. In is used for anything wide and broad. Cattle feed chiefly blank grass. Cattle feed chiefly on grass. On is used for any surface, regardless of whether it is vertical or horizontal, and on is also used for public transportation and devices. She lives blank Bijapur. She lives in Bijapur. Bijapur is a city and has edges. In is used for spaces and containers that are enclosed. Please do it blank leisure. Please do it at leisure. Specific time, place, and activity are pointed and small things. They take at preposition. Here, leisure is a specific time. Therefore, at is used. Can you write your phone number blank that piece of paper? Can you write your phone number on that piece of paper? On is used for any surface, regardless of whether it is vertical or horizontal, and on is also used for public transportation and devices. Friends, these are examples of sentences that contain at, on, and in prepositions. The following diagram will give you a bird's eye view of the scope of the said prepositions. Specific time, specific place, and specific activities take at preposition. At is used for small and specific things. The area of on is little bit larger than that of at. On is used for any surface, public transportation, and for technological devices. In is used for anything wide and broad, such as large areas, unspecified time, and so on. Did you enjoy this learning? If so, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have something to say, please leave a comment in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.